On January 9th, 2026, 56,000 developers woke up to this message. It says denied. No warning, no migration path, just gone. A tool called Open Code, beloved by developers, 56,000 GitHub stars, nearly 150,000 weekly downloads, stopped working with Claude AI overnight. Developers paying $200 a month for Claude Max found their workflows dead. One user wrote, using Claude Code now is like going back to the Stone Age. He canceled immediately. David Heinemeier Hansen, creator of Ruby on Rails, called it very customer hostile. Within hours, GitHub issues flooded in, hundreds of comments, mass cancellations. Now, here's what's interesting. Everyone blamed Anthropic, but Anthropic didn't do anything wrong. They closed an economic loophole. Developers were generating thousands in compute cost on a $200 subscription. The real question isn't why Anthropic did this. The real question is, why were 56,000 developers building their livelihoods on ground they didn't own? Now, look at what happened to those 56,000 developers. They weren't stupid. They weren't careless. They were just doing what the systems taught them to do. Find the best tools, optimize your workflow, stack your subscriptions, get more efficient. And it worked for a while, until the vendor changed the terms. The developers who lost access that morning didn't lose a tool. They lost productivity, they lost context, they lost continuity, they lost workflows they spent months building. Because nothing they built was theirs. Not the intelligence, not the memory, not the workflow, and definitely not the identity. It all lived on someone else's servers, subject to someone else's terms. When you build on rented ground, the landlord always wins. The paradigm shift is this: from renter to owner. Owner of the intelligence layer that sits on top. Your memory, your context, your workflows, and your worker IP. The new way, your value is the portable, intelligent assets you build that execute work without you. Use AI to build worker IP that you actually own. This is the asset